It's Thanksgiving, and this is an exciting time of year because it allows us to be thankful for everything that's happened throughout 2018, and we're able to see all the highs and all the lows and all the challenges that we've gone through as a company, because at the end of the day, it's our struggles that make us stronger and makes us better, and it helps us understand how we can better provide a valuable service to our community, because that's what we're all about here at J29. So we challenge you this Thanksgiving. We talk about digital marketing, we talk about social media. We challenge you to actually unplug. Let's all just unplug on Black Friday, Thanksgiving, throughout the weekend, and focus on things that matter most, your relationships, the people you care about. It's always good to just stop, because it's in the midst of the peace that we find our answers. Have a happy Thanksgiving.